I went to the hospital today. I went to the clinic today. I went to the pharmacy today. I went to the medical center today. The hospital is very clean. The hospital is very big. The hospital is very nice. The hospital is very organized. Many patients come to the hospital. Many people come to the hospital. Many visitors come to the hospital. Many sick people come to the hospital. Doctors work in the hospital. Doctors stay in the hospital. Doctors serve in the hospital. Doctors help people in the hospital. Nurses take care of the patients. Nurses help the patients. Nurses support the patients. Nurses watch the patients. The doctor checks the patient. The doctor examines the patient. The doctor sees the patient. The doctor observes the patient. The hospital has many rooms. The hospital has many beds. The hospital has many wards. The hospital has many departments. The patient lies on the bed. The patient rests on the bed. The patient sits on the bed. The patient stays on the bed. The nurse gives medicine to the patient. The nurse brings medicine to the patient. The nurse provides medicine to the patient. The nurse hands medicine to the patient. The doctor listens to the patient. The doctor talks to the patient. The doctor speaks with the patient. The doctor understands the patient. The hospital helps sick people. The hospital treats sick people. The hospital cares for sick people. The hospital supports sick people. I saw many doctors in the hospital. I met many doctors in the hospital. I noticed many doctors in the hospital. I found many doctors in the hospital. The hospital is open day and night. The hospital is open all day. The hospital is open all night. The hospital is open all the time. The doctor gives good advice. The doctor gives helpful advice. The doctor gives useful advice. The doctor gives clear advice. The nurse is very kind. The nurse is very helpful. The nurse is very friendly. The nurse is very polite. The patient feels better after treatment. The patient feels good after treatment. The patient feels healthy after treatment. The patient feels stronger after treatment. The hospital has modern equipment. The hospital has new equipment. The hospital has advanced equipment. The hospital has useful equipment. Doctors work very hard. Doctors work carefully. Doctors work sincerely. Doctors work tirelessly. The patient waits for the doctor. The patient looks for the doctor. The patient asks for the doctor. The patient calls the doctor. The hospital is an important place. The hospital is a useful place. The hospital is a helpful place. The hospital is a necessary place. The doctor writes a prescription. The doctor prepares a prescription. The doctor gives a prescription. The doctor makes a prescription. The patient takes medicine regularly. The patient takes medicine daily. The patient takes medicine on time. The patient takes medicine carefully. The hospital provides good care. The hospital gives good care. The hospital offers good care. The hospital ensures good care. The doctor checks the patient's health. The doctor observes the patient's health. The doctor monitors the patient's health. The doctor reviews the patient's health. The nurse helps the doctor. The nurse assists the doctor. The nurse supports the doctor. The nurse works with the doctor. Patients feel safe in the hospital. Patients feel comfortable in the hospital. Patients feel relaxed in the hospital. Patients feel secure in the hospital. The hospital saves many lives. The hospital protects many lives. The hospital supports many lives. The hospital helps many lives. Doctors treat the patients carefully. Doctors treat the patients kindly. Doctors treat the patients properly. Doctors treat the patients patiently. The patient thanks the doctor. The patient appreciates the doctor. The patient praises the doctor. The patient respects the doctor. The hospital is a place of healing. The hospital is a place of care. The hospital is a place of treatment. The hospital is a place of recovery.
The ambulance arrives at the hospital. The ambulance reaches the hospital. The ambulance comes to the hospital. The ambulance stops at the hospital. The patient needs medical help. The patient needs medical care. The patient needs quick help. The patient needs doctor's help. The doctor examines the patient carefully. The doctor checks the patient carefully. The doctor observes the patient carefully. The doctor looks at the patient carefully. The nurse checks the patient's temperature. The nurse measures the patient's temperature. The nurse observes the patient's temperature. The nurse records the patient's temperature. The hospital has an emergency room. The hospital has a waiting room. The hospital has a treatment room. The hospital has a surgery room. The patient waits in the waiting room. The patient sits in the waiting room. The patient stays in the waiting room. The patient rests in the waiting room. The doctor asks about the problem. The doctor asks about the illness. The doctor asks about the pain. The doctor asks about the condition. The patient explains his illness. The patient explains his problem. The patient explains his pain. The patient explains his condition. The doctor gives the right treatment. The doctor gives proper treatment. The doctor gives good treatment. The doctor gives careful treatment. The nurse brings medicine for the patient. The nurse gives medicine to the patient. The nurse provides medicine for the patient. The nurse prepares medicine for the patient. The hospital has many doctors. The hospital has many nurses. The hospital has many workers. The hospital has many staff. The patient follows the doctor's advice. The patient listens to the doctor's advice. The patient accepts the doctor's advice. The patient remembers the doctor's advice. The doctor checks the patient's heart. The doctor examines the patient's heart. The doctor listens to the patient's heart. The doctor observes the patient's heart. The nurse gives an injection. The nurse gives medicine. The nurse gives treatment. The nurse gives care. The patient takes rest in the hospital. The patient stays in the hospital. The patient sleeps in the hospital. The patient recovers in the hospital. The hospital has a pharmacy. The hospital has a laboratory. The hospital has a clinic. The hospital has a medical store. People buy medicine from the pharmacy. People get medicine from the pharmacy. People collect medicine from the pharmacy. People receive medicine from the pharmacy. The doctor works in the operation room. The doctor works in the surgery room. The doctor works in the treatment room. The doctor works in the emergency room. The operation room is very clean. The operation room is very bright. The operation room is very safe. The operation room is very organized. The patient feels pain. The patient feels weak. The patient feels sick. The patient feels uncomfortable. The doctor tries to help the patient. The doctor tries to treat the patient. The doctor tries to support the patient. The doctor tries to cure the patient. The nurse takes care of the patient. The nurse helps the patient. The nurse supports the patient. The nurse watches the patient. The hospital provides emergency service. The hospital provides medical service. The hospital provides health service. The hospital provides quick service. The patient starts to feel better. The patient begins to feel better. The patient slowly feels better. The patient soon feels better. The doctor visits the patient again. The doctor checks the patient again. The doctor sees the patient again. The doctor examines the patient again. The patient thanks the nurse. The patient appreciates the nurse. The patient respects the nurse. The patient praises the nurse. The hospital helps people stay healthy. The hospital helps people recover. The hospital helps people feel better. The hospital helps people live well.